Hey, Shawnee from SpeedCubeReview.com. I got a thing from GAN. This is their new GAN 15 with black internals. So basically, we've gone back a few years. And we've got what a lot of people have asked for. So we've got the bag, we've got the accessories. If you know a GAN 15, then just watch this video for funsies, like, subscribe, do all that stuff to help support my my healing of my wrist and my car. If you are new here, then welcome. Inside this case, we have a bunch of other magnets. So I can't remember what is which. I believe there's white ones in here right now. Wow, that is loose. Yeah, there are. Let's remember. Wow, that is so loose. Okay. On a side note, so the whole primary internals, like, that's existed for a while. You could in the past just buy the entire cube being primary plastic, which means undyed plastic. And okay. Let me get back on track in just a moment. Does it say? Oh, there we go. Medium. Green is stronger. So I might adjust that. But anyways, what I was saying is that most of the internals were black when they went to stickerless. And then there was, from what I've read online from even like cube designers, is that one person, not from GAN, so I'm not going to say who it was, started making primary internals, mainly to show people that it doesn't really matter. Like black dyed plastic, you can't really feel the difference, especially after lubrication and whatnot. And then it just took off, and everyone's been doing primary plastic, probably because it's just slightly cheaper. But a lot of people really want that black internals because it really makes all these colors stand out so much more. Okay, so a couple things about the GAN 15, and then I'm just going to do some solves and call it a day because we don't really need to do a ton. The caps are near impossible to take off by hand, so you have this cool little stamp that takes it off. The one is minimal center travel, which that means that would be like tightening a screw on the centerpiece. So 1 would be the tightest. I believe I had my GAN 15 on 2, maybe 3. And then we have spring compression or magnet compression. And the more compressed it is, the more stable the cube wants to be. It wants to be in that cube shape. And so I really like more of that. I find sometimes if it's too much, it actually restricts how much the cube can flex again because things are really tight together. So like a 5. Let's just do a solve how it is right now. And what we have right now is a 2 for the internal, so that's great. And then, is that a 1? Yeah, a 1 for the compression. So not a lot of the magnet compression there. These are a lot thicker, I feel like, from the first ever model where they had this stamp thing. I think I need to check, but I think these grooves in here are new. That way they don't break as easily. But I'm not sure, so let me know, I guess. Do I want to officially time it? Yeah, I kind of want to officially time it. I say officially. Bring up my keyboard where you can tell exactly where I hit the spacebar each time. And let's open up CS Timer. Wow, I have a weird color on there. Okay, anyways, I'm getting off track. Let's see how this is on its own. Can't tell any difference in the feeling of it. Feels like a GAN 15. Feels very light. Okay, 12.17. I definitely want to add a bit of lubrication. And I want to change the magnets out. So let's do the lubrication last because I don't want that all on my hands. Let's change the magnets for the green ones. We have to disassemble this. You know what? I'm just going to I'll do yellow and then I'll do white. I'm curious now that I started how long this takes to change the magnets. And I think we should put these all back. I think it's interesting too for like the high-end version that this is it for magnet adjustment. There's no 6 settings on like the corner dial or edge adjustments. It's just these 3 corner ones, which probably fulfills everything that we need. We just keep going through these waves of being crazy adjustment and then none at all. Maybe we should start a like speed running community, which we have. Let me finish my thought. Where it's challenges of like changing the magnets on a GAN 15. Okay, and now let's adjust the compression. I'm just going to take these all off. I still wish they would come out with a 55 millimeter version. I don't know how hard it would be for them to adjust a few things so they don't have to remanufacture like all the magnets and everything. It's just sort of shrinking some stuff down. Obviously the caps, because those would not all fit, but well, scramble it upside down, but no, let me do it right. Just reverse the scramble. It's like I'm doing FMC. There we go. .4. My M slices are not working with this brace on. Well, if you are interested in GAN puzzle and like GAN 15 and want black internals, you got it now. This one's UV coated. It's on SpeedCube Shop right now, so I'll link to it in the description. It is only $69.95. Now, SpeedCube Shop has a comparison chart for the GAN 12, 13, 14, 15. I'm just going to put it on the screen right now. And the big thing with the GAN 15 is that it only weighs 60 grams. You have fewer magnet settings than the other ones, but the focus is on performance, depending on what you want out of it. So put your thoughts and questions down in the comment section below. Hit like, subscribe for more content like this in the future, and as always, keep following SpeedCube Review for more news and reviews.